Hey everyone, if you've ever dreamed of ditching the 9 to 5 and taking control of your financial destiny, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into how you can start your online empire and potentially earn up to $10,000 in just 30 days. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let's break it down. First things first, imagine only working 2 hours a day. Yes, just 2 hours. This isn't about clocking in and out of a traditional job. It's about smart, effective work that earns. Now you might be wondering, how on earth do I start? Don't worry, there's step-by-step training involved. This means you won't be left in the dark trying to figure things out yourself. You'll be guided through each phase of building your online business from the ground up. And here's the kicker. You earn 100% commissions. That's right. Every penny from your sales goes directly to you. No hidden fees, no sharing your hard-earned cash. Plus, there are no monthly fees whatsoever. This lowers your overheads and maximizes your earnings. Speaking of earnings, let's talk about the payment structure. You get paid on 4 levels. This isn't just about direct sales. You also earn from the efforts of others in your network. It's a powerful way to leverage your time and increase your income exponentially. Sounds like a game changer, doesn't it? But it's crucial to remember, while the potential is there, success depends on your effort, dedication, and ability to learn and adapt. So if you're ready to take the plunge and start building your own online empire, check out the link in the description for more information on how to get started. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited about taking control of your financial future. Catch you in the next video, where I'll dive deeper into strategies to optimize your online business for even greater success. See you soon.